In many ways, the Epomaker P75 hits all the right notes that you might want in a typist keyboard. First, the build quality is excellent both externally and internally. The aluminum enclosure is cool to the touch and makes the unit feel sturdy. While this adds notable weight to the keyboard, I cannot deny how good it feels. Internally, the Epomaker P75 features multiple layers, including stacks of foam and a polycarbonate backplate. Together, these elements tune the typing noise to a balanced mixture of thok without being too harsh. Its pebble rolling-like sound is my favorite aspect of this keyboard, although that is a matter of preference. In terms of switches, Epomaker has tuned the zebra switches well with factory lubrication, resulting in smooth key travel. The longer key stabilizers are also greased, ensuring a smooth, rattle-free, and squeak-free feel. Typing on the P75 may not feel like the fastest experience due to its relatively deep actuation distance, but Epomaker has done well in providing a satisfying typing experience both audibly and tactilely. Additionally, the Epomaker P75 includes other solid features, such as wireless and wired connectivity, hot swappable switches, a full metal volume knob, and durable PBT double-shot keycaps. Secondary functions are present, although not overtly marked, and they perform as expected. The P75 is not without its faults. The battery life, especially with the lighting turned on, is below average. Furthermore, the solid aluminum body does not include any kickstands to prop the keyboard up. Lastly, the software experience feels half-baked. Using open source software like VIA would have been a better choice. At the time of the review, the Epomaker P75 is available for $100, which is a reasonable price considering all it offers. If you are looking for a great typing experience out of the box, the Epomaker P75 provides plenty, while also offering opportunities for further customization if desired. I'd love to hear what you think of this wireless mechanical keyboard in the comments down below.